Click on the window object from the object library. The Face to Hole and Hole to Face tools are found on the context-sensitive Point Edit toolbar, here and here. To use them, we will first select a window pane face and sweep it out. The sweep is very important for this to work right. With the face still highlighted, we click the Face to Hole tool and then click the face we want to have the hole pass through to. We now have a hole through the object. Select the other three window pane faces and sweep them. Notice that clicking on the Face to Hole tool and then clicking on the inside faces before will only convert the last face selected to a hole. We need to convert each face to a hole individually. When completed, the window will look like this. The Convert Hole to Face tool can be used to create a face across any hole on the object. We will work with the bottom. Notice that you cannot select a hole through another one. The bottom hole selects, but not a window hole. A click on the opening will create a face across the hole. The highlighted face can now be moved up. This creates a floor with thickness on the bottom. To demonstrate the integrity of the geometry, we will put a hole through the floor. Using the Polygon Bevel tool, we will create an offset and perform the same operation as before that we used on the window panes. We now have a nice little tower top, 5 holes, and no booleans. These tools will work between two sides instead of through them as well. We can create a connected span between the two sides of this box with the Face to Hole tool. Don't forget to sweep the face first. We now have a solid connected object. Or we can disconnect one side of the span with the Hole to Face tool. Notice that we can select a hole through other faces. There is no sign of where the face used to connect. We can even separate a projection with the Hole to Face tool. We still have a single object after separation. We can also join two separate objects that have been booleaned together. The face selection order when gapping two objects makes a difference. Note that the face being converted to a hole needs to be smaller than the face you are projecting to. This applies to all uses of this tool, but is very apparent here as to what will happen if reversed. We will span the gap between both of these in different orders. First, the small face to the big, and then the big to the small. They both look basically the same. However, one is a single part object and the other is two separate parts. This becomes apparent with smoothing applied.